Good afternoon, student. We will be continue our study genetic disorders. Second genetic disorder is Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders are caused due to alteration or mutation in single gene. These follow Mendel's principles of inheritance. Most common Mendelian disorders are: first, we discuss hemophilia. It is a sex-linked recessive disorder. Patients continue to bleed even with a minor cut because of a defect in blood coagulations. The gene for hemophilia is located on X chromosome. Maximum number of males suffer from hemophilia than females because in males single gene for the defect is able to express, as males have only one X chromosome. The defective alleles produce non-functional proteins which later form a non-functional cascade of proteins involved in blood clotting. Females suffer from this disease only in homologous condition, that is XHXH, that is homologous conditions. We see with an example. Recently, a baby girl has been reported to suffer from hemophilia. How it is possible? Let us see. Father hemophilic or mother is carrier. Parents. Then two gametes, X, XH. Two gametes, X and Y. Then we see with your chart. Female X, XH. Male XH, Y. Then X fused with X, X and XH, then XH, XH. X, Y, XH, Y. Carrier, like this, mother is carrier. So formation of carrier, HH homologous, that is hemophilic girl. hemophilic girl, hemophilic boy. And this is normal boy. Normal boy. Now, sickle cell anemia. It is an autosome linked recessive trait. The disease is controlled by a single pair of allele HBA and HBS. Only the homozygous individuals for HBS, that is HBS or HBS, show the diseased phenotype. Heterozygous individuals are carriers like HBA or HBS. It occurs due to single base substitution at 6th codon of beta globin gene from GAG to GUG. Mutated hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing the change in the shape of RBC from biconcave disc to elongated sickle-like structures. As a result, the cells cannot pass through capillaries and are clogged and affect blood supply to different organs. Defect is caused due to substitution of glutamic acid GLU is replaced by valine at the 6th positions of beta globin chain of hemoglobin molecules. So, in normal conditions, glutamic acid on the 6th position, but in defected conditions, it is replaced by the valine and cause the sickle cell anemia. So, this is the micrograph of RBC and amino acids compositions of the relevant portion of B chain of hemoglobin. A formed normal individual and B for sickle cell anemia. We see and clear with example. HBA, HB, HBA, HBS, HBA, HBS, parent. HBA fused with HBA, then HBA form, then HBA fused with HBS, HBA HBS, then HBS fused to HBA, then HBA HBS form. HBS and HBS fused HBS HBS. HBA or HBA form normal this one affected and this carrier of this disease, progeny and genotype of parents. So by this example we will see one normal child produce, one affected produce, and 2 is the carrier. Now discuss thalassemia. It is an autosome linked recessive disease. It occurs due to either mutation or deletion, resulting in reduced rate of synthesis of one of globin chain of hemoglobin. Best example is anemia. Thalassemia is classified into 2 types: alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia is produced by alpha globin chain is affected. It is controlled by the closely linked gene HBA1 and HBA2. These are linked genes on chromosome 16. It occurs due to mutation or deletion. Mutation or deletion of one or more of the 4 genes. Beta thalassemia production of beta globin chain is affected. It occurs due to mutation of one or both HBB genes on chromosome 11. So these are the major differences between alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia on chromosome 16 and beta thalassemia on chromosome 11. So thalassemia is classified into 2 types. Next disorders, phenylketonuria. It is an inborn error of metabolism. And is inherited as autosomal recessive trait. The affected individual lacks an enzyme named phenylalanine hydroxylase. Name of the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase that converts amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine in liver. Phenylalanine accumulated, phenylalanine accumulated and gets converted into phenylpyruvic acid. Phenylalanine after accumulated converted into phenylpyruvic acid and other derivatives. This affects the brain, resulting in mental disorders. Phenylalanine is also excreted through urine. Next, color blindness. It is sex-linked recessive disorders. Sex-linked recessive disorders. It causes due to defect in either red or green cone of eye. Red or green cone of eye. Failure to discriminate between red and green color. The gene for color blindness is present on X chromosome. It is observed mostly in males due to presence of only one chromosome. It occurs in 8% males and 0.4% females. We see clear cut with the help of an example. Suppose parents have normal vision. Bear a colorblind child. How it is possible? X and say mother. XY father. Two gametes form X and XC. Then X and Y. Parents, gametes of parents, X fuse with X, then X, that is the normal conditions, then X again fuse Y, then XY, this is the normal conditions produce. So normal child is produced. This X fused with this X, then X and XC. You see, mother is the carrier. That means carrier mother. Female child form. Then this X fused with Y. You see X and Y is formed, that is color blind male one is formed. Blind male form. So it is clear cut to see 8% males and 0.4% female, and color blindness is present especially on X chromosome. So man only one X chromosome. So this production shows the color blind male child is produced. This is progeny. And last, cystic fibrosis. It is the most common lethal genetic disease. Genetic disease. It is caused due to recessive mutation on the 7th chromosome. So cystic fibrosis occurs recessive mutation on the 7th chromosome. Body produces abnormal glycoproteins. Abnormal glycoproteins which interfere with salt metabolism. The mucus secreted by body becomes abnormally viscid and blocks passage in the lungs, livers and pancreas. Blocks passage in the lungs, liver and pancreas. I am giving you some practice questions. You solve question number 3, question number 5, question number 1 and question number 7 in class lecture. Thank you.